Hello everyone, in this video I will explain the 10 most important functions in Excel that everyone must know in 2025. We will use sales data to learn these functions, so let's start. The sum function adds all the numbers in the specified range. For example, to add all the sales values, type equals to sum opening parenthesis. Now select range from C2 to C17, closing parenthesis and press enter. The result is the total sales value. You can also sum values in specific cells. So type equals to sum opening parenthesis, select cell C5, comma, select cell C9, comma, select cell C15, closing parenthesis and press enter. The result is the total sales value from the selected cells. To show total sales, right below the data, you can use a shortcut. Press Alt equal to sign and it will automatically sum all the values above the cell. Press enter and the result is the total sales value. The SUMIFS function adds all the numbers that meet all the given conditions. For example, to find the total sales where the region is north and the discount is more than 10%, type equals to SUMIFS opening parenthesis. The first parameter is the values to add. So select range C2 to C17, comma. For first condition, select range B2 to B17, comma. For criteria, type north in double quotes, comma. For second condition, select range F2 to F17, comma. And for criteria, type greater than 10% in double quotes. Closing parenthesis and press enter. Result is the total sales where the region is north and discount is more than 10%. The COUNTIFS function counts the number of cells that meet multiple conditions. For example, to count total products where the status is completed and date sold is after 1st March 25, type equals to COUNTIFS opening parenthesis. For first condition, select range D2 to D17, comma, and for criteria, type completed in double quotes, comma. For second criteria, select range E2 to E17, comma, and for criteria, type greater than 1st March 2025 in double quotes. Closing parenthesis and press enter. The result is the total number of products where status is completed and the sales date is after 1st March 2025. If function is one of the most popular function and it is used to make logical comparisons. It gives two results, one if the comparison is true and another if the comparison is false. For example, to show yes if the sale volume for each product is more than 400 and no if sales volume is 400 or less than 400. So in cells G2, type equals to if opening parenthesis. For logical condition, select cell C2 greater than 400, comma, type yes in double quotes if the condition is true, comma, type no if the condition is false. Closing parenthesis and press enter. The result is yes because the sales value for product A is more than 400. Now drag the formula down to apply it to all the cells. The function will return yes if sales value is greater than 400 else it will return no. XLOOKUP function is used to search in a table or range and returns the item that matches the first result it finds. For example, to search sales of a product available in cell B21, type equals to XLOOKUP opening parenthesis. The lookup value is in cell B21. So select cell B21, comma, select range A2 to A17 to search the product, comma, select range C2 to C17 to return the sales value, comma. Now type any text if the product is not found. Closing parenthesis and press enter. The result is the sales value of product available in the cell B21. Change the product name and it will return corresponding sales value. Now type any product which is not available in the given range. The result is not found, which we have mentioned in the fourth parameter. Text function formats a number into text with specified formatting. For example, to show the sales value with currency and two decimal, type equals to text opening parenthesis, select cell C2, comma, and type dollar sign for currency, 0.00 for two decimals number in double quotes, closing parenthesis and press enter. Now drag the formula for all the cells. The sales value is now with dollar sign and two decimal values. Similarly, text function can be used for dates also. To show the dates in month and year format, type equals to text opening parenthesis, select cell E2, comma, and type 3 times M for month hyphen 2 times Y for year in double quotes, closing parenthesis and press enter. Now drag the formula to apply to all other cells. The dates are now in month and year format. TEXTJOIN function combines the text or strings from multiple ranges and includes a specified delimiter between each text value to be combined. So type equals to TEXTJOIN opening parenthesis. Now type semicolon to use as a delimiter, comma, type true to ignore the empty cells, comma. Now select the product range from A2 to A17, closing parenthesis and press enter. It will join all the products separated by semicolon. Now in the function, remove the semicolon, press enter, and now all the products are joined without any separator. Filter function filters and returns the range of data that meets the specified criteria. For example, to get the data where status is completed, type equals to filter opening parenthesis. Now select range A2 to F17, comma. For criteria, select range D2 to D17 equals to type completed in double quotes, closing parenthesis and press enter. The output is the data range where status is completed. You can use multiple criteria also to filter the data. For example, to get the data where status is completed and region is north, type equals to filter opening parenthesis, select the range A2 to F17, comma. For first condition, select range D2 to D17 equals to completed in double quotes. Keep all the conditions in separate parentheses. Type asterisk sign for second condition, opening parenthesis. Now select range B2 to B17 equals to type north in double quotes. closing parenthesis for condition, closing parenthesis for filter condition. Press enter and the result is the data range where status is completed and reason is north. Unique function returns a list of unique values in a list of range. For example, to get a list of unique reasons, type equals to unique opening parenthesis. Now select range B2 to B17 closing parenthesis and press enter. The output is the list of unique reasons in the data. DATEDIF function calculates the difference between two dates in years, months or days. For example, to calculate the age of given date of birth, type equals to DATEDIF opening parenthesis. The first parameter is the start date, so select date of birth, comma, the end date can be another date. To use today's date, we can use today function, comma. Now to show the difference in days, type D in double quotes, closing parenthesis and press enter. The age is 17,960 days. Similarly, to show the age in months, we will use the same function. The first parameter is the date of birth, comma, second parameter is the today's, comma, and to show the difference in months, type M in double quotes, closing parenthesis and press enter. The age is 590 months. And similarly, to show the age in years, we will change the third parameter to Y, closing parenthesis and press enter. The age is 49 years. If you have any doubt or question in any of these formula, please share in comment section. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of new videos. Thanks for watching.